Hmm. Oh yeah, so close. Huh! I thought he was arresting her. Apparently not. Oh goodness. Yeah, I'm enjoying it, VJ. Thank you. Hey, Black DDT, how are you today? I'm doing well. I'm kind of hungry.
Anything like the lobby? I should cut that rates.
So, like, does anyone else cut the tops off chip bags when it gets to the bottom?
They should probably repair that.
Well, I would like popcorn, but popcorn takes a little bit of time to pop, so.
Want it by the hour or for the whole night? Oh,
Welcome back, Dewey.
I work here, okay? I work the front desk. It's to help pay rent. So, now you know. I know I should have told somebody, but Beast would lose his mind if you knew.
You should really tell Beast. He's worried about you.
I will. I just need to in my own time. By the way, thanks for covering for me.
So that way.
So, what are you doing here?
You guys can all take a break.
Oh, you have a key.
Someone else was murdered last night.
I heard.
The victim was someone who worked at the Pudding and Pie. Lily. She, come around here ever?
Oh, yes, the troll. I did see her. I mean, you know, we never really spoke, but she came off a tad intimidating.
Ever see Lily with someone here? Maybe on a job?
Sometimes, but nobody I've recognized. I haven't worked here that long, though.
How about a room register? Or someone named Mr. Smith?
That's all we get here, Smiths, Jones, or Johnsons. I think the last ones are jokes.
Ever meet a girl named Faith? Or just maybe hear that name?
I might have. I don't know. By the end of the night, it's kind of a blur with all the names. Tara, Brandy, Amber, Heather. Sorry.
I guess they don't show the behind the scenes of the fairy tales from Disney.
Have you seen Snow White down here? Or maybe somebody glamored as her?
You know, it's funny. I did see someone who I thought looked a lot like her, but she didn't say anything when she saw me, even though she knew that I saw her. I just assumed it wasn't Snow and went about my business.
Huh.
I talked to Tweedledee earlier today. He mentioned you in passing. Do you know him? Or his brother?
I took out a loan. For back pay. It was like our third notice. And ever since then, those annoying freaks have been pestering me for the money, plus interest.
Why take out a loan from those two?
It was from the crooked man.
Beauty.
You don't know how desperate I was, Bigby.
The crooked
man. I had nowhere else to go.
Look, if this ever happens again, come see me or Snow first, all right?
I tried.
Funny how there's a suicide prevention thing in the background.
Wait. It'll be better if anyone sees you that they at least see you with me, so they know that I didn't let you just wander around by yourself. 5 minutes, please.
Today you bought...
Beauty.
Just be ready to act like I'm trying to kick you
Your
out.
girlfriend bought a kitten for your birthday, and you bought yourself a new parrot and called it Warbler. Awesome, Black DDP.
Listen, Bigby, I assume you'll be filing some kind of an official report or something. Which is fine, it's just that I was wondering if I need to be in it. Do you have to mention my name? I mean, it's not like Beast would ever see your report. It's just...
Don't worry about it. The less I have to write down, the better.
Thanks. I appreciate it. Well, here we are. Which one was it?
Just regular potato chips. They're Cape Cod chips. They're a little stale, though.
You have keys to these rooms?
Because I'm hungry.
I thought you had a key.
Not to this one.
Hold on, Bigby. I can't just let you go into any room you want. Seriously, what if someone found out? I could get into a lot of trouble.
You have to let me in there. This is the room, 207.
But
This is the room Lily was in.
Fine. Well, that's weird. This key is supposed to open every room in the building, but it's not working.
Beauty!
Ah, shit.
Beast?
Bigby? How could you do this to me?
No, sweetie, no. Wait a minute.
How could you do this? We've been together through everything. I took care of you. I love...
It's not what you think. Please.
My girlfriend...
You're cheating on me!
Black,
With
I don't
him?
understand what you're saying.
No, Beast. I promise I'm not. I'm helping him. That's all.
I'll bet! I'm sure you help each other just great! I know what this place is!
This is a murder investigation. She's helping me.
Stop lying to me! What the fuck is wrong with you? She's my wife!
Beast, listen to me. There's nothing going on. I'm not.
Ah!
Hey!
Bastard! I guess I finally see you for who you are!
Stop. Stop it.
You told me you hadn't seen her, you fucking liar! You've been sleeping with her this whole time!
Listen to your wife. Just calm down and...
Beast.
Ah!
Oh, shit!
What the hell do you think you're doing? You aren't even listening to me.
Oh, God! I can't eat and do quick time? Oh, God! Oh, God!
Beast! Leave him be. This is my fault. Beast, no. I understand.
Oh, God! Oh, God, I missed it. Oh, your girlfriend likes this stream. Oh, man, did I just pass out? No! Fuck! That's what I get for reading. Your girlfriend likes this stream too, and thank you. Tell her I said thank you, Black.
Beast, no. I understand.
Okay. Okay, we gotta... That's what I... Oh, shit, man! No, stop! You don't have to hit him anymore.
Bigby, no. Don't hurt him.
You ruined everything! She's my fucking wife!
Well, you're in the room now.
Shit!
What have you done?
Bigby.
Look what you did to the door! You can't just act like this whenever
Stand back! You don't want to see this.
Oh my god. So that's definitely where she was killed.
Beauty, stay in the hall.
What? Why? What's going on? Oh my god.
Don't touch anything.
Is this?
Lily met her client here, Mr. Smith, whoever he is.
And then?
Must have happened right here.
Jesus.
Yeah, that's where the flower petals are.
I was on shift last night.
On shift? Beauty, what?
I'm not a prostitute, you idiot. I work the front desk.
So that's...
Did you notice anything out of the ordinary? There might have been some loud noises.
I don't know. I mean, loud noises aren't out of the ordinary. I didn't hear anyone screaming or anything like that, but shouldn't I have? It just seemed like a totally normal night. How is that even possible? There's so much blood.
Oh,
Lock the
man.
front door. Keep people out of the hallway. I need you to be sure no one comes in here. This is a crime scene, okay?
But...
Just do what he says. I'll explain later, okay?
Well, I'd be pissed if I thought my wife was cheating too.
What kind of a person could do something like this?
That's exactly what I'm about to try to find out.
Can't believe this.
Cassette player.
Do all the rooms have these same clocks with the built-in cassette player?
I think so, yes.
So it's definitely the same flower.
Where'd you get that?
Lily had it in her hand, in case there was any doubt over who died here.
We shouldn't even be in here. What is that?
It's a book about Snow White. Or about the Mundy version of her story, anyway.
The whole book is about her?
Yeah.
Fiji, Red Delicious, Empire? So she's trying to figure out which apple? And if she was
Why
breathing.
is she in a glass coffin?
This is the part where she's in a deep sleep, but they think she's dead.
What's it mean? Why mark the page where she's sleeping?
I think he made up the bed to match the coffin in the picture. Flowers, too. He'd have had Lily lie down just like this.
You mean just before?
In the story, that's when someone comes to kiss her. That's our Mr. Smith.
This is creepy. The coffin and the weird fixation on snow. What the hell is wrong with this guy?
Ashtray.
It's a huff and puff.
I thought you were the only one who smoked that crap brand.
Beauty's looking good. I don't know why they don't call her Belle, like...
Brought wine.
Classy.
Wait. Wine? He likes snow? He gets a massage? Is it cream? You slept my Nastia will watch your stream? Okay, awesome. And there's Snow White's costume.
Someone's been rough with this dress. It's torn.
Well, someone likes it rough.
She must have been wearing it. He killed her and then he took
Okay,
it back
Nico.
off.
Have a good night.
No, there's no blood on it. It must have been torn some other time.
What are you thinking?
This is the same dress as the one in the book about snow. I think Smith was dressing Lily up in it to recreate the snow from the book.
You're right. It's the same dress. It
Dewey.
acting out scenes from the book. That poor girl. She couldn't have known. She probably just needed the money. She could have been anyone. How did she wind up here? I mean, not exactly here, but just how does a person...
We can't know the answer to that. Every situation is different.
Yeah, She must have been so scared.
Let's play the cassette. It's freaking just woods. Well, he did just get his eyeballs clawed at, so your ex was like that?
I think I heard this music last night. It was playing pretty loudly for a while and then stopped in the middle. I didn't think twice about it at the time. I mean, you hear all kinds of things around here, and I guess I've already gotten used to blocking them out.
Could have covered up the sound of the murder.
Nothing wrong with liking it rough or,
Maybe she
you
didn't
know,
see it
whatever.
coming.
As long as you respect your, like, partner.
How can I find out who rented this room?
Find whoever has the key? I'm pretty sure this one must be held long-term. And we don't keep a register or anything. This place is intentionally kind of anonymous.
I keep hearing that. Is there anything else you can tell me about last night? Anything that sticks out in your mind?
Hey everyone, Dance
it
Now.
just
How are
seems
you?
like every other night does. That's
You're on the
exactly what's
plane?
bothering me.
Awesome.
From now on, I'll just be down there imagining this. Damn, get it together, Beauty. Be strong.
There's nothing else to investigate, though.
God.
So I guess we have to say we hope she's not hiding anything.
I'd better not find out you're hiding something from me about all this.
What the hell is wrong with you? I'm not involved in this. Please, just do whatever you need to do and let's get out of here.
Your mom asked the flight people if you could use your laptop. You probably can during parts of it. Can I just, like, leave? Hello? I want to go. I want to vacate the premises. Though this is really nice music. Like, seriously. I just want to escape. S'il vous plaît. Like, how do I get out of here? Aloha! Like, seriously. What am I missing? Like, it's just the cassette player. Like, I don't... Oh, here we go, an apple.
Do you smell something?
No, just apple.
But just like Snow White.
Oh no, there's more? What? What now?
Well, that's good, everyone dance now.
It's got a single bite taken out of it, like in Snow's story.
Oh no, do you think it was poisoned?
It wasn't. I'd have smelled that. I think it's just a prop. It's here because they were acting out the scene in the book.
Of course. That makes perfect sense.
That's roleplay to a whole
He's just
nother...
acting out another part of the book. God, I can see the whole picture now. It all goes together like you said. This creep put that girl in a Snow White dress and recreated the whole story from the book with the apple and the deep sleep and everything. You're a better detective than I thought you'd be.
Thanks.
So he planned it all out. He had all the details.
Are you
noted
happy
down.
to be going home,
Only
everyone
then,
dance now?
When it comes time to kiss her and wake her up.
Yeah.
I hope you're just about through. I don't really want to stay in here any longer.
An envelope. Huh. What's in it? Oh, it's Snow White.
Are those pictures of the dead girl?
Not all of them.
How do you know?
I'm in this one. It was taken last winter.
Oh no. Bigby. This kind of stalking, it doesn't just stop by itself. Trust me, I know about this firsthand. He'll keep trying to get closer and closer.
His stand-in for Snow
He
is gone,
doesn't
though, so
stick
The
to
next
me?
step
What do you
closer.
mean, Nastia?
What is it?
it's Crane.
Yeah, it was Crane. The wine and the massage. The mirror! Oh my gosh, the poor mirror!
He could be after you now.
Good. I am dying to get my hands on that disgusting weasel.
We just finished episode 2, and we're about to start episode 3, VJ.
I'm really starting to like you, Sheriff. You're not afraid to be a complete bastard.
Obviously, there will have to be some changes.
Hello, Bigby.
Take care of it, Bigby.
There's
I'll
5,
take
VJ.
care of it for you.
Alright guys, I have to get something
Nice, Bigby.
to eat.
Is that you?
I have to.